Benefits of pineapple water and how to make it. A large percentage of the human body is made up of water, and drinking enough fluids is important for your body to function properly. Pineapple water is a low-calorie, low-sugar, and natural alternative to sugary beverages like soda or juice, notes Nicole Stefanow, RDN, a dietitian in the New York City area. Pineapple water, or agua de pina, is a traditional Mexican agua fresca, or fruit-infused drink made with sugar. I make it for myself several times a week, adds Ariel Danny Lebovitz, RDN, a dietitian in Franklin, Tennessee. How to make pineapple water. First, find the fruit with the sweetest fragrance. Second, target a leaf from the crown. If it detaches easily, that's a telltale sign that the pineapple is ready to be sliced. Then chop up some pineapple, and steep it in water. The longer you steep, the more flavor you'll get. And, of course, add ice if desired. Consider this base recipe: 1 chopped pineapple, 1 gallon of water, and 1 gallon of ice. Nutritional profile of pineapple water. Here's the nutritional profile, including daily values, DVs, for pineapple water made with 1 chopped pineapple, 1 gallon of water, and 1 gallon of ice. This recipe serves a dozen, and the nutrition info assumes that you eat the pineapple chunks. Calories, 40. Saturated fat, 0 grams, 0% DV. Sodium, 20 milligrams, 1% DV. Carbohydrates, 10 grams, 4% DV. Fiber, 1 gram, 4% DV. Sugar, 7 grams. Protein, 0 grams, 0% DV. Vitamin C, 36 grams, 40% DV. Manganese, 1 milligram, 43% DV. Benefits of pineapple water. Hydrating, Stefanow says. The most important health benefit of pineapple water is it provides hydration, which is vital for our bodies to function properly. Adding a sweet flavor like pineapple to water can make drinking water more appealing and palatable to someone who may not be meeting their hydration needs with plain water alone. Helps immunity. Besides being a refreshing and hydrating alternative to plain water, pineapple water may provide a sweet little immunity boost, says Stefanow. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C and manganese, which both play an important part in immune function. Per a cup of pineapple, you get 79 milligrams of vitamin C. This is 88% of the DV for vitamin C and 67% of the DV for manganese. Helps reduce inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, a group of enzymes. Drinking pineapple water may help people with chronic inflammation, as bromelain is water-soluble and known to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body, says Lebovitz. Helps cut added sugar intake. It's no secret that most soda contains added sugar. So if it's the carbonation you love, making a fizzy pineapple water may satisfy your soda craving. Fruit-infused sparkling water is a satisfying low-sugar, low-calorie alternative to soda with the same gratifying fizz, says Stefanow. Replacing sugary drinks with this alternative is a plus. Helps digestion. Pineapple is packed with natural digestive enzymes that help our bodies break down food, says Stefanow. Sipping on pineapple water between meals can help support healthy digestion. You can, of course, drink pineapple water straight up. But you can also get creative.